Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select themes and tap on More next to free themes. Then choose themes at the bottom left corner if they are not already on and tap on this search bar. Over here you can type wherever you want to, like C, and pick theme best for you. I will go with that one. Now you need to select free over here, wait a bit, click on all of those dots, lock screen, home screen, system and icons, and if they are not already on, sorry, and then tap on apply. Now wait a bit, and as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also go back into the default one by going into settings again, scrolling down, choosing themes one more time, and tapping on my themes. Then pick one of those default ones, in this case classic only, and tap on apply. And when I go back, I can see that my theme is default again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!